Hi, I'm Emil from iDoc. Is your phone's back cover bent or scratched and you want to replace it? Or do you have trouble charging your OnePlus 5? This video shows you how to replace the back cover and the charging port. Before the repair, check however if it's not just dirt in your USB port that is preventing your cable from plugging in properly. This repair is not very difficult because the display is not glued. You need about 60 to 90 minutes. We recommend the following tools: a Torx T1 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pick, a plastic spudger, a steel spatula, ESD tweezers, and a suction cup. A heat gun or a hairdryer helps you remove glued parts. You can find the required spare part in the video info. The most important tools, together with our iDoc magnetic pad, come in our repair kit. On our website, idoc.eu, you can find this guide with detailed photos and videos for each step. Before the repair, do a full data backup and make sure your workplace is clean and well lit. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And now, enjoy this fix. First of all, switch off your OnePlus 5 completely to protect it from damage. Press and hold the standby button until the switch off option appears. Tap again to confirm. If your OnePlus 5 touchscreen no longer works, you can also turn it off by pressing and holding the standby button for about 10 to 15 seconds. To open the OnePlus 5, you need a Torx T1 screwdriver. Remove both screws on the bottom edge of the case. They are located to the right and left of the USB port. Store the screws in the same box of your magnetic pad. Remove the SIM card holder with a SIM tool or a paper clip. Push the tool into the small hole on the SIM tray and pull it out. The OnePlus 5 consists of a back cover and a display unit. All the electronics and the screen are installed in the display unit. The back cover is designed as a case. To lift off the back cover, you need a suction cup, a flat opening tool, and a pick. If the screen is badly cracked, cover it with a strip of packing tape so that the suction cup can stick. Attach the suction cup over the home button. Pull on the suction cup and then slide the opening tool between the display and the rear panel. If the opening tool is too soft, use a pick. When a small gap appears, insert the pick. You best use a hard pick with a stopper so that it doesn't slip too far into the device. Now run the pick around the whole frame. You can twist the pick a little to lever off the display. The device is not glued but clipped. Use the pick to release the clips one by one. Once all the clips are released, you can lift off the back cover. The tabs at the upper edge come out last. The rear case is still connected with a flex cable. Gently fold open the back cover and hold it to protect the cable. The connectors for the battery and the back cover are under a bracket. Remove the screw from the bracket and then remove the bracket. It's latched in on both ends. First, disconnect the battery to avoid short circuits. Use a plastic tool for this. Then disconnect the second connector. It connects the USB port to the main board. Remove the Phillips screws on the audio jack and USB port. Then heat the flex cable that connects the two sockets and release it with a steel spatula. Now pry the two ports out of the case with the spatula and take out the cable. Now insert the new flex cable. If necessary, first remove all protective films from the sticker surfaces. First insert the ports and then press the flex cable into the case. Now fasten the screws for the two ports. Attach the rear case at the right angle and plug the USB port connector to the main board. Also connect the battery connector to the main board. Now put on the bracket. Make sure it's latched in on both ends. Fasten the screw of the bracket. Now attach the back cover to the display unit. Slide in the upper edge first. The back cover has 3 tabs here. Clipping the device together takes some strength. It's best to grab the device with both hands and squeeze the edges together with your fingers. Insert any SIM or SD cards and slide the tray back into the device. Now fasten the 2 screws to the left and right of the USB port. That was our fix, and I hope you enjoyed it. You can find tools and spare parts on our website. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comment box. We are always happy to help you out. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And if any of your friends broke their phone, tell them about iDoc. We have repair guides for all common models. See you next time.